Alright guys, we'll be trying out a new game called Raise Mod. It's a game that's kind of similar to Gary's mod, but it's on Roblox. So we're gonna be testing this game out. Alright, and let's see what we got here. What this looks like. Oh, it's shooting. It is shooting. Holy, oh my gosh. Jeez. I wonder if I'm safe in here. Alright. We need something to fight back. But this looks cool. Flashlight on. We've got a Maxwell. Yippee! It's still alive. You know what? We need something to fight. Holy. I kinda wanna spawn more of them. Alright. You know what? How about I just run? See what this building goes to. There's a big room. Let's see what's in here. Well, I spawned in a bunch of these. Maybe they'll help me. Holy. I need like a gun. Like a cannon or something. What does this do? Where is he? I need him to get low enough so I can... a little graphic. What do I do? What do I do? Boat car. Oh, destroyed that one too. What do I do? Chat. I need like something to fight back. Perfect car. Pedro. I have Pedro. Actually be stuck. Pedro, save yourself. He does not back down, does he? You know what? Run. You still up there? I'm being shot at. Oh no. Alright, we're in here. We need some sort of vehicle or something. Or like gun. Turret. What turret? You didn't give me a turret. Mother trucker. Turret. How do I kill it? I want to kill it. I have to. What fights planes? Tanks. Whoopsies. Oh no. Oh no. Hopefully they fight each other. This is probably gonna get graphic. So Maxwell's. It died. Yippee. Oh. I forgot we still have that. Sir, you wanna be friend? It is behind me, isn't it? We need a better gun. Oh, they're fighting each other. Oh no. That's a big mark. What can I be? Penguin. I am Penguin. Yeah. And I got a gun. Yeah. Nathan, you also have to pay back your root beer. Penguin with a gun. I am unstoppable. This penguin with a gun. Or not. Guys, if you want to see more of this, comment down below. This is some stuff. Wait. What do the balloons do? It still is. Balloons! I could fight at him at a higher angle. Oh no, he's shooting my balloons. No, he's popping my balloons. No. What shoots him? Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Yes, my ankles. They pain. Duck. Maybe duck will do it better. Duck with a gun. Wait. I might need a better gun. Hold on. Inventory. What is this? P90. Oh. This seems How do I kill it? It doesn't die. How do you kill something that isn't even alive? Like a helicopter. You know what? I've run into battle with a crowbar. I'll hit it with my crowbar. Wait, did I kill it? Grenade. Oh. Well, we learned that it can't be defeated. And that will be our time for today. Tell me if you want to see more of this game. That'll be all for today. See ya.